Hilton Vacation Club Cabo. Cabo Azul is situated in San Jose del Cabo, a town at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula in Mexico. It's known for its beautiful beaches, golf courses, and vibrant culture. Hilton Vacation Club at Cabo Azul provides various amenities and services to make your stay enjoyable. This may include multiple swimming pools, a spa and fitness center, on-site restaurants and bars, and activities for both adults and children. The resort is often praised for its lush landscaping and beautiful architectural design. The resort offers a range of accommodations, including spacious suites and villas. These accommodations are typically well appointed and feature modern amenities. Guests can choose from different room types, depending on their needs and preferences. The resort is ideally situated near the beach, and you can enjoy water sports, sunbathing, or simply relaxing by the sea. The town of San Jose del Cabo offers a variety of cultural and recreational activities as well, including art galleries, shopping, and dining options. Hilton Vacation Club operates on a timeshare ownership model. This means that individuals can purchase a share of the resort, typically entitling them to a certain number of days or weeks per year at the property. Hilton Grand Vacations is a well-known name in the timeshare industry. They offer a range of properties in various vacation destinations around the world, and their Cabo Azul location is one of the options for Hilton Vacation Club members. If you are considering a stay at Hilton Vacation Club Cabo Azul or are interested in ownership, I recommend contacting the resort directly or visiting the official Hilton Grand Vacations website for the most up-to-date information on accommodations, availability, and pricing. Keep in mind that timeshare ownership involves certain financial commitments, so it's essential to fully understand the terms and conditions before making a purchase.